Omukoro gwo kutongoza enguuto ya Kabale kuza Katuna gukirwaho Minisita w'ebya PIDA General Katumba Wamala kandi nagira ngo ukore enguuto ezi kwine ekigendererwa cyo kureba ngo abarambuzi bahika mu myanya ey'oburambuzi batateganisibwe.
Apart from the road, it also has other amenities which are coming along with the project. This is a 34-kilometer road, and we'll also be constructing 4 landing sites on Lake Bunyonyi. 4 landing sites, making them good for crops to land.
Omubutumwa bwa President Museveni obushomero bw'omuhwezi w'empanura zihanga Thomas Tayebwa ahameze ko government yehire yo kutungura eby'oburambuzi omwihanga lyona.
Abo baba President yajangu tuyontuza sentences twatunje Burundi kumwe tuzakora n'urugundo rwa Muko Katuna Kamugano from Igana Mukama. This project will boost the socio-economic development of Uganda by providing better access to social infrastructure, facilitating access to market for farmers and traders, reinforcing the regional integration.
Engineer Canon Ivan Mbabazi batuma urukwebembera abakigezi tourism cluster nashaba government okora izindi nguuto ziri kutwara abarambuzi no kutaho ekishayi kyenyonyo mu kyanga kya Kigezo kwera abarambuzi okuhika mu myanya y'oburambuzi.
To fast track the development of the Batuma Memorial Airstrip in Kabale under PP arrangement, which was launched by His Excellency the President almost 9 years ago on 30th November 2016. The experience of the majority of leisure, business, and elderly tourism will be greatly enhanced by air travels, as opposed to very long hours of the road.
Right Honorable Speaker, nakushaba orugundo rwabayise kihango munonga abantu bitureka nabo barukanyirwemo abajenyi ababetu babize baje discipline kandi tkolengane nabo batumanyise tubakireje ibira bashobere tubahabure.
Umurimo gwo kuhunduza enguuto ezi gubarirwe billion 10.12 kandi kwasibwa ba Sam Crate Engineers kandi no gwo kumara emyaka 3. Umuganda bebembezi bambara district batungwiza ukora enguuto ina omwishazeri ya Kashari. Umunguuto ziri kuza kukorwa neya Kashaka kuza Karuyenje orwine kilometers 21 orwabukiro kuza Rwishaka kandi orwine kilometers 5 hariho rwa Katoma kuza Gitamba kandi orwine oburingwa bwa kilometers 10 norwa Rutoma kurabira Kashare ukafumukira Mutonto kandi rwine kilometers 10. Enguuto nezona neza kumaraho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 350 omuza Uganda.
Oruguto rwa Kashaka kuza Karuyenje oruguto tugaruka Kashaka oruguto rwa Rwishaka rukaza Bucura Town Council kandi turiyo twaheze kushara oruguto rwa Rutoma rukaza Mutonto
weta Kashaka Karuyenje kilometers 21.5 turiyo tuza kurukora bushikiriya rimwe turukore shaping turuvundarunde twaheza tuza kusuka maramu ubusheko bukutera n'icyo twita sport gravel twaheza tuza kubyara lanes mukaga za Karvats.
Umuhwezi wa RDC ahabwambara district Ayijuka David yashaba batura gukora enguuto ezi kongera hantasiya yabo.
Aba bantu aho kukera Rubenge ekirungi muri ryo mu mwijuye muri hano mu ndeba nutuza kubakwata kirwikirizubwa. Ntuza kwata umuntu ariho nanywa tugarike twate n'umuntu ruguza amarwa cyabasikaga amarwa ntija gatwara ntugatoke ntuganaga.
Abaturani basima government ahabwo kubijwe kabakorera enguuto.
Ibintu bitu kwabiserwa ndio mpunzi wo mwana ngwinde kakutandukanye muto narwo mwishamo mukaga nebiri obwa hati omwana gwanjye kumugurira leta nabutara bashwe ngutu kikeje nyambe kuyihaho ekutwara factory.
Gasha kwa Job Namanya na Evans Tarema.